Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 60, comparing quantities, section A, easy. Let's start. Which of the following is incorrect? See here, there are 4 items given, A, B, C, D. Selling prices are given, profit or loss is given, then cost prices are given. There is somewhere mismatch in either of these 4. Now we have to check which one. See here, basic logic is selling price means what? When will you sell? When you have cost price plus profit equals to selling price, or cost price minus loss equals to selling price. That is the only two ways it's available. This equation can be done. Let's start with A. Cost price is given as 80, then 20% profit. So cost price plus profit. We have to find out profit now. What is the profit now? Profit is always calculated on this percentage upon cost price into upon 100 into cost price. So 100 and everything goes and 16 remains. So profit equals to 16 rupees. Now what is the selling price then? Selling price equals to cost price plus profit, 80 plus 16, that is 96. So this answer is correct. A is correct. Now B. Cost price 8,000, 12.5% loss. Now 12.5 means convert this to 0.5, 12.5. Now find the loss first. 12.5 upon 100 into 8,000. So it becomes what? 100, this 0 is gone. 12.5 into 8, that is 100. So 1000. So selling price equals to now what? Cost price minus loss, because here it's loss. Earlier it was profit. So 8000 minus 1000, that is 7000. Is it there? Yes. So this is also right. C. Cost price equals to 7812. Loss is what? 13%. Calculate the loss. 13 upon 100 into 7812. Multiply this. Now this, how to multiply this? 2 zeros gone and take 1 point over here. 2 points over here. So 13 into 78.12. Multiply this. You do it yourself. It's quite easy. 13 2s are, 13 1s are, 13 8s are, 13 7s are. Okay. So 1015.56. So loss is this much. Now cost price minus loss. Selling prices. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.